Next, let's take a look at the print book publishing process. From the View Book page, after you've already completed the ebook publishing step, click where it says Print Book on the right side. Draft2Digital is able to use your same manuscript and the ebook that you've published to easily also create a print book version. Of course, making a print book is optional and may not be the best for every situation, so it's up to you whether or not you wish to do this for your book. Click the Start Your Print Book button. You will see the print book details page to start things off. There are two options for the print book interior. Unless you have something specific in mind to upload your own custom print interior, choose the Use eBook File button, and Draft2Digital will automatically convert what you've created with your ebook into the print interior for a print book. If you scroll down, you will see a familiar looking section for your print book release date and your print book description. By default, your description will be filled in from what you used for your ebook. If you would like to adjust any of the split payments, non-author contributors, or the pages that are included automatically by Draft2Digital, you can do so here. But by default, they will use the same settings that you used for your ebook. At the bottom, you will receive a similar prompt, this time for a print book ISBN. Once again, in most cases here you will want to choose Give me a free Draft2Digital ISBN. Note that the ISBNs are separate for your ebook and your print book, so they each need their own individual number. Click Save and Continue when you are satisfied with the settings on this page.